Could also use a bucket, but this fits in really good right underneath this coin trap. This is a really cool design. You just grab this and turn counterclockwise and the water will come out. Be a little careful though. If you feel like too much water is coming out, you can just tighten it back up and that'll stop the water. So I just had a little water left in there. I pulled the coin trap out, and then I noticed there's this big sticker that was in there, and I think that was keeping it from draining. And there's some coins and bobby pins and stuff. That's normal. I've often found socks get pulled in here and cause it to not drain, especially like small baby socks, like for a newborn is very common. I'm reaching in with my finger into the right where there's a little hole, and there's a drain impeller in there that I want to feel that it can turn. Sometimes